Hey there, welcome back to Fix My Problem, your go-to channel for tech solutions. There could be several reasons behind this, such as insufficient storage space, a poor internet connection, conflicting apps, or even a corrupt system cache. If your device's storage is nearly full, it's time to free up some space by deleting unnecessary files and clearing app cache. Now let's move on to the next potential cause of installation failures, a poor internet connection. Now let's address another possible cause of installation failures, conflicting apps. To troubleshoot conflicting apps, restart your device in safe mode and attempt the installation again. Now let's address one last potential cause of installation failures, a corrupt system cache. Section 4, Corrupt System Cache. Over time, the system cache on your Android device can become corrupt, leading to various issues, including installation failures. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on troubleshooting Android installation failures.